Hey everybody, it's your friend Jenna from Uncomplicated Kitchen. And today I want to show you how to very simply break down some broccoli, you could also do this with cauliflower, into florets. So the first thing I do is I go right for the underside because I can see where everything kind of attaches. And I'm just gonna take my knife and I'm gonna gently work around like this. And I'm gonna pop all those little florets off. So we're cutting into florets here. I just let where they're naturally separated be my guide. And sometimes pieces are a little big, so you can go ahead and just cut that a little further. Like this one's a bit large. And so I'm just gonna cut that right down the middle. Almost no matter what you're cooking, you want things to be cut even sized because even size will mean even cooking. And it's just one way to ensure success. The broccoli is in nice florets now, so we're gonna transport that over here to this bowl so we can work on those stems. So lots of folks would just go ahead and throw this broccoli stem right in the compost or the trash, but it's actually my favorite part of the broccoli, and here's how I prep it. So I take my veggie peeler and I peel as much of the outside if I can get to it right here. Just getting off any of that tough exterior. I think that's one of the reasons why people think that broccoli stems are not delicious, because they can have a bit of a fibrous woodiness to them. So now I'm just gonna cut off that end, and I'm just gonna cut this up into pieces. Broccoli stems are wonderful in salads or soups, steamed, basically all the ways. They're just not the prettiest thing to put on a veggie tray, of course. Well, everybody, you prepped some broccoli, stems and florets, ready to go for whatever you want to do with them. Until next time, bye.